top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, man, they tell the chef hurry.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Kim, this is Rack.
Hi. My cousin is at the back.
Yes. Hi, Moisha.
She not got ear because she have an earphone.
So today we are on a short adventurous journey. Right, Rack?
Yeah,
Where are we going?
very spontaneous. We just got up and said we're going to go
Montego Bay. Down in Montego Bay.
So we are going on the coast of Montego Bay.
So big up to all our family from Montego Bay who have subscribed to the channel already. Subscribed. So who have subscribed to the channel already. Big up on yourself. You don't know anything going to large. See me, isn't me? No matter what day, we're on our family.
Big up.
And
Straight. Oh yeah, and to all our new subscribers, thank you guys so much for joining the family. Yeah, we get new subscribers even though we not upload as frequent as possible as we should.
But we still appreciate it.
Yeah, we still appreciate the love, and our videos have been doing well considering that we haven't been uploading frequently and so yeah, glad for that still.
Yeah.
So we're on our way to Montego Bay. We don't know exactly where we are going to be yet. So we just drive until we get to somewhere. Yeah. So
My place name, where's the games?
I was thinking of going. What place name again?
I say one games.
Yeah, one games place. What place name? Oh my gosh. Just remember this Coral Cliff. I just remembered. In my eyes there's stars.
So guys, we're in beautiful St. James, right? And Rakisha still don't know where she go. She said Coral Cliff.
It's a Coral Cliff. I say place name with big games. I use tokens. I win prizes.
So I wonder if we can win some. Then fling ball along there.
They do all kind of games, like you go on the bike. You know that one game lounge?
Let me not go win, man.
Like you do the hoops, and you do the driving, and
Let me not go win with the bike and the fling.
Yeah, you do the bike, the car, and you do like
you have range?
I mean
Shooting range. So.
shoot. That way you shoot down things.
Yeah.
I don't know.
In a virtual world.
Oh, in every wow, that was so cool. But I don't know. A long time ago, I went there when I was there primary school ago. I remember I was grade. Probably was a grade 4 or something. I remember. So swing out.
Okay,
These dogs, man, and then just look like they want to be dead. Then they want to be dead. Goat want to be dead. Dog want to be dead. Every animal just want to be dead. Because the way I'm eating, I already this one. Oh,
that's
Jesus. Yo.
Maybe this month everything cruel.
me see him, no, me see when me a pass.
So guys, we are in Montego Bay. Over there, Margaritaville. Can't even see it good, but we're gonna play some game. First time here. Rakisha first time.
No, it's not my first time here.
Moisha is acting silly. I don't know why. Like she expects us to just lock up in the house and I say about rules. Be 18 and over to enter. No weapons allowed. Yes. Say man, so we can't have phone of you. You're not strict in Moby. Alright, this up. I'm strict in Moby. Say no phone. Alright. So, no phone allowed upstairs. No phone allowed upstairs.
Okay, guys.
No phone allowed. No black phone. No shelf, nice. And hold it, right?
right way. Yeah, make sure so that way.
What's some of the time I go?
You never swipe it, man.
Don't worry, what else?
Yes, I your right foot.
Yeah, this is
yeah, and break your other foot. Much you coming in your race game? 20? Me come 36. I mean, I don't even know how much people play, but me come 36. 40? Ah, that's poor.
Yeah.
Press your gas, twist the leg. 8 laps. Yeah. Guess you don't know. Guess it, yes. Guess it, boys. Like, guess it. You're at 38, 36. Now, that's what me did there all the time. I know throw hoops also. Throw hoops. See hoops here now? You can throw hoops. Huh? Can you beat your friend? Woo! That would be so cool. I think you can beat your ass, you know, boy. How much hold on, how much? How much did they panic? How much money done? $0, 0 cents. It's like an hour, a tree. That was that till us at $2. The money done because we swipe the glass over there, so. You hear stuff, you know? Yeah, honestly, you hear stuff. $240. $240. It's $240 per game. $240, so that's give me a finger. 24, 22. Got through.
That's why. First I come 20. Better than we. I seem to become.
It better than me because me come me want to play again. You know can't do this to me. I'm not going like that when I game.
So, this is the beautiful place so where I come from, and everything worked out very, very well. It's a very nice place, and I'm just going to show you. Step it. So really enjoy ourselves, and I don't know.
Kids do not gamble. I'm telling you the truth, do not either. I'm giving you some friendly advice. Some adult advice. Do not take this gamble.
Yes, no, do not. So where are we going? I'm going to take a shower.
Yeah, hungry man. So we're going to keep here. Drinks. Keep your card.
Alright, come, we are going.
Yeah, come here. The funny. I have money left from me.
So yeah, come back home, please.
I have 80.
Yeah, come back out there, son.
I
I done with it.
Can we not no more money? Can we now come back up here again?
One next time. But you didn't want to come now.
They want to come. Yes, pop up.
But make your face is puff up now. Just tell me now.
We don't want to go beach.
You want to go beach, I can't swim. You want to go beach, go do. And every day at beach. Here's our next place. You know, me like, you know, at first I go on place like this. It is exciting. But we're supposed to go to this and the man told her we car.
What we carried him? Oh, yeah.
So, that's it. Straight up. Alright, so we're at the park, right? First time in this park. Big park. Right? So, guys,
remember one time we did better when I didn't know.
we're just gonna eat some Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah, Chrissy?
Let me say.
Yeah, Chrissy.
Me and Chris. No, I never said that. I said me and Chris used to, so it's so nice. So guys, we're heading back home. We had a good day today. It was very nice. It was very nice. And this one around here, so show yourself. Yes, show yourself. She never want to go this far, you know, after suddenly come to life when you realize which party might go on. So it's my cousin, guys. Moisha. So if you don't see her again in the video, Moisha. So we went to Coral Cliff, we went over to the park, I had something to eat. So it was a good day. I enjoyed it. That's true.
Yeah,
Coral
very
Cliff
much.
changed up. Well, it almost changed because a long time ago, Coral Cliff. You remember? And gambling section kind of take with me.
Money.
$2 still. But you know, Sasa is still. It's not an everyday thing. It's not something that we do all the time. Alright. So this is where we are going to end the vlog, guys.
Yes.
Had a good day. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. If you are new here, ensure that you subscribe before you leave. Ensure also that you comment down below if you would like to see us do vlogmas or what video you'd like to see us do next.
And follow us on the ground.
Follow us on Instagram, guys. I have been seeing a lot of you over there and we need to see you guys. Also, one more thing, turn on your post notification because someone said in the comment section the last time that they didn't get any notification for the videos. They're not getting any notification for the videos, so I'm going to encourage you guys to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new. Whenever we upload a new video, yeah. So you guys will be notified. Yeah. So that's it for now, and we'll see you guys in our next video, which I don't know what it will be as in probably another spontaneous trip. If you guys like these vlogs, just let us know. We appreciate them. We appreciate you telling us what you like. So until next time, guys.
Peace.
Bye.